Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to pin messages in WhatsApp groups. And the first thing you need to know is you need to go to your WhatsApp. And in your WhatsApp, you need to go to the group you want to pin the message. For example, you pin that message because it's important for you. And you go here to this menu. You need to pick for a few minutes the messages. And when this green bar appears here, in the message, you need to go to the to these 3 points here in the superior right corner, and you need to pick here in the option of pin, and you need to select the time you want to this message. How long you want to pin here in the in the group. You can pick here like 7 days. You pick in pin, and that's it. You want to you can see the message here in the superior part, and you can search. If you pick here, the group sent to you to this message. So if you want to pin this message, you pick again, you go to these 3 points and you pick in on pin, and that's it. It's an easy process to do. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.